So, Nico, where do you think we should put the TP-Link Deco AX3000 Wi-Fi router?
How about right here?
Seriously? That's it? Think of the creativity. These are mountable. You can put them anywhere. We could put them here, on the wall, or even completely out of sight on the ceiling. So much flexibility and support packed into these three little guys.
How are you doing that?
For the last time, I'm not Spider-Man. Stop asking.
That'd be so awesome. I wish I could swim through.
Hello everyone, and welcome back to another episode of Unboxes. How flexible do you like your tech? Everyone's lives are so different, and when your tech is adaptable to fit perfectly into your life, that's a game changer. And the Deco X50 PoE is here to fit anywhere and everywhere. These Decos are here to provide powerful Wi-Fi 6 and connect up to 150 devices to truly keep up with today's tech demands. Once you get your hands on this baby, you'll be able to set up your very own mesh Wi-Fi network all under one network name for seamless connection in your up to 6,500 square foot home. And hello, you can mount these in all the convenient places you'd like to cover, from the window to the wall and your table and ceiling. We'll talk more about that, but first, let's unbox this. Plastic, big on. Oh sweet, you even have your little photo where you can mount all your different decos. Okay, let's see. I'm excited to have these little deco pods out here. The three bad boys. Okay, and then in here, it looks like we have all three of our decos here. Look at this cute little trio. See, and I think what's nice about these two is that since they have their like white base color, these are really gonna fit in anywhere that you're gonna mount these. Whether you want them in your face or hidden away, you're gonna have lots of options with these. And then inside, we have your quick installation guide, and then plus it looks like your Ethernet cable here. Your screws, that way when you're mounting these up, you're all equipped. And then in here, you even have your mounting instructions as well. That way you can put them on your ceiling, on your wall, on your floor, wherever you want. And then this looks like the plug-in for each of the decos. So you have three of your power cables for the decos themselves. These are so easy. I think that's the thing. If you're dealing with bad Wi-Fi, there are so many ways to just fix it, and this is one of those ways that's gonna help you out. And then there you go. Your three decos, your three power cords, plus you have your Ethernet cable as well as your screws for your mounting. But really, that's all. And if you need some extra help, there's instructions on the box themselves or even just inside the little pamphlet here. But really, this is gonna be super easy to set up. So let's take a deeper look into what these decos got. Here's the trio, the Deco X50 PoE. The beauty of mesh Wi-Fi like this is that you can spread out these Deco units all across your home to ensure that you have broader coverage in every single little corner. You get three of these little guys, and they'll fit perfectly into your life because this is seamless AI-driven mesh. It'll intelligently learn your network environment to ensure that you're always receiving the strongest possible signals. And the Deco X50 is strong. This trio is armed with Wi-Fi 6 technology and powerful AX3000 dual-band Wi-Fi speed. So you'll be getting 2,402 megabits per second on a 5 gigahertz band and 574 megabits per second on the 2.4 gigahertz band. These speeds are ideal for all your bandwidth-intensive tasks like cloud gaming and 8K video. Now that I have my hands on this, I'll be able to play The Last of Us and watch the show at the same time. Wow, I can't wait until season 2 comes out and they get to that part in the game where Ellie... If you're looking for even more support, each of these decos includes a 2.5 gigabit per second WAN/LAN port for a blazing fast wired connection, plus a PoE port where you can use a single Ethernet cable for both data and power transmission. 2 in 1. 2 birds, 1 stone. And of course, best of all, the Deco X50 is incredibly flexible. You now have placement options. Even if you live in the most complex environment, you can mount these decos 3 different ways. It's nice and compact so you can keep it on the tabletop, on the wall, or even completely out of sight on the ceiling. So much flexibility and support packed into these 3 little guys. If you're ready to upgrade and would like to get your hands on the Deco X50 PoE, you can check out the links in the description below. And listen, I'm not desperate, but you can also hit subscribe and the bell so you never miss another video from us. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Bye.